What's going on, everybody? Houston here with Downley Ford of Ashland, and today we have a 2021 Toyota Venza XLE hybrid. Now, looking at the entertainment system here, it is a 12.3-inch touchscreen that's going to come equipped with your Apple CarPlay, your Bluetooth, as well as your navigation system. You got your climate control buttons all right here, your push to start right there, and then moving on down here, everybody's favorite features. Obviously, you have your heated seats, but you also have your ventilated and cooled seats. Moving on to some steering wheel controls here. You got your lane keep or your lane assist feature, as well as your cruise control panels there. Move on down, of course, power windows and your memory seat options. Here we have our 19-inch premium alloy wheels. Got your turn signal on the mirror. Got a nice cargo cover, as well as an easy function here, your power lift gate. Now for some of the exterior, so this Toyota Venza comes equipped with a 2.5 liter V4 that's going to get you great gas mileage, about 40 miles per gallon in the city, 37 on the highway. So whether you're using this for, your everyday grocery getter or you travel long distances, you are going to be happy with what it provides. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you are in the market for a vehicle or think that this Toyota is the car for you, please do not hesitate to reach out. Again, Houston here at Downley Ford of Ashland. You can reach me at 419-281-3673, and I'm extension 1014. Thanks so much. We'll see you.